भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। We are in the 12th mantra, Tika, page number 73, third line from top. So, Omkara and its Matra, Atma and its Pada, their Sadrishyam and Amatra of Omkara and Turiya of Atma, their Aikya Jnanam is done. Now the phalam, result of this jnanam, is given. Some vishati, some anuswara is missing in the pratika. Bhashya. Samvishati atmana svenaiva swam paramarthikam atmanam ya evam veda. संविशति आत्मना स्वेनैव. In Atma there is pravesha in his own swarupa, means he identifies with Atma alone, no upadhi. That is given. Swam paramarthikam atmanam ya evam veda. He knows oneself as paramarthik Atma, means Brahma, Turiya. टीका. सुषुप्ते ब्रह्म प्राप्तस्य पुनरुत्थानवत् मुक्तस्यापि पुनर्जन्म स्यात् इति आशंक्य आह. In Sushupti also we attain Brahma. Sushupte Brahma Praptasya, but there is Punaruthanam. He comes back to this world. In the same way, Muktasyapi Punarjanma Syat, one who is liberated, he also might have Punarjanma. So you already know there is a difference. Muktaha identifies with Nirgun Brahma, and Sushupta Purusha, he goes to Saguna Brahma. This is the Bheda. Bhashya, is it clear? This Bheda is clear, right? परमार्थदर्शी ब्रह्मवित् तृतीयं बीज भावं दग्ध्वा आत्मानं प्रविष्ट इति न पुनर्जायते तुरीयस्य अबीजत्वात्. परमार्थदर्शी ब्रह्मवित्, ब्रह्मज्ञानी, the seer, knower of Paramartha Tattva, he has burnt Tritiyam Bija Bhavam, the Karana Swarupa, Ajnanam. He has burnt that. Dagdva. Atmanam Pravishtaha. Then he has entered in Atma, means he is identified with Atma. Not people who go to Sushupti without burning, without destroying avidya, karana avastha. So then we go and we come back. Atmanam pravishta iti na punarjayate. Then he is not born again. Turiyasya abijatvat. Because Turiya is seedless. Turiya is seedless. Seedless grapes. But they will never be able to come out with seedless pomegranate, I think. Because how can pomegranates be without seeds? Anyway, Turiya is Abija. Tika. Sushuptasya पुनरुत्थानम बीजभूत अज्ञानस्य सत्वाद उपपद्यते. Sushuptasya पुनरुत्थानम is there because बीजभूत अज्ञानम is there. बीजभूत अज्ञानस्य सत्वात् उपपद्यते. उपपद्यते भवति, सिद्ध्यति. इह तु बीजभूतम अज्ञानम तृतीयम सुषुप्ताख्यम दग्ध्वैव. Here means in the case of Jnani, बीजभूतम अज्ञानम कारण अवस्था तृतीयम सुषुप्ताख्यम दग्ध्वा एव तेषाम आत्मनम तुरीयम प्रविष्टः. Having burned that, he has entered in the Turiya Avastha. Turiya Avastha means Turiya Atma, not Turiya Avastha, Turiya Atma. Turiyam pravishtaha vidwan iti na asau punarutthanam arhati. Therefore, there is no coming back. Now, who will know whether I know Nirgun Brahma or not? I know Sagun Brahma. So, really speaking, the knower should know. But those who don't know the difference between Saguna Brahma and Nirguna Brahma, and they just do Upasana, then you leave it to Paramatma. Paramatma will decide. The system is there in place. Further, कारणमंतरेण तदयोगात् इत्यर्थः. कारणमंतरेण तद अयोगात्. What is तद? कारणमंतरेण तदयोगात्. No. Nobody wants to try? Tat means punarutthanam is given. Punarutthanam arhati. Karanam antarena tad ayogat. If karana is not there, punarutthanam is not there. See, these things you have to learn. Turiyameva punarutthana bijam. It will happen with lot of abhyasa. You have to, on your own, read these bhashyas and tikas and try to put the meaning alone. Then you listen to whatever recording is there and you see if it makes sense. तुरीयमेव पुनरुत्थान बीजभूतं भविष्यति इति आशंक्य. Somebody says Turiyam itself can be the punaruttana bija. Bijabhutam bhavishyati iti ashankya. Karya karana vinirmuktasya tasya tadayogat. Karya karana vinirmuktasya tasya turiyasya karya karana, and therefore punaruthana bija will not be there in that turiya. Tadayogat maivam ityaha in bhashya. Turiyasya abijatvat. So Nirguna Brahma is Karya Karana Vinirmukta. Nirguna Brahma is without Karya Upadhi, Karana Upadhi. So if I am desiring anything from Karya Prapancha, means I am not free from Karya. If I am desiring anything from Karana Prapancha, I am not free from Karana. If I am not desiring anything from Karya and Karana, then I am identifying with Turiya. So it is very significant sadhana. Muktasyapi purva sanskarat punaruthanam ashankya drashtantena nirachaste. Now somebody says, let us say somebody liberated. And then, means he got it, that I am Nirguna Brahma. And then, once again some samskara comes, Purva samskara. Purva samskarat punaruthanam. Again he might have rebirth. Iti ashankya. This is Purva Pakshi Shanka. Drashtantena nirachaste. With the help of an example, this is negated. Nahi rajju sarpayor viveke rajjvam pravishtaha sarpaha. When rajju sarpa viveka takes place, then rajjvam pravishtaha sarpaha, snake which has entered in the rope, is a gauna prayoga. Don't think literally. When Rajju Sarpa Viveka takes place, then snake actually goes inside the rope. It's a Gauna Prayoga, this is called. Rajjvam Pravishtaha Sarpaha. Otherwise, somebody says, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has said, so this is Pramanam. Buddhi Samskarat Punaha Purvavat Tad Vivekinam Nahi utthasyati. For the Viveki who have understood the Swarupa of Rajju as Satyam, Sarpa as Mithya in Rajju Sarpa, for such Viveki, Buddhi Sanskarat, because of the Buddhi Sanskara, Punaha, once again, like before, Purvavat, Nahi utthasyati. That Sarpa doesn't come back again. Based on the Buddhi Samskara. So this sarpa doesn't have that strength. टीका पूर्ववत इति अविवेक अवस्थायाम इव इत्यर्थः. पूर्ववत like before means like when he was ignorant, aviveki. तद विवेकिनाम रज्जु सर्प विवेक विज्ञानवताम इति यावत्. Who are vivekis? रज्जु सर्प विवेक विज्ञान, those who have विवेक विज्ञानवताम इति यावत्. बुद्धि संस्कारात् इति अत्र बुद्धि शब्देन सर्प भ्रांतिर गृह्यते. बुद्धि संस्कारात्, so what kind of samskara is there in that buddhi? Sarpa bhranti sanskara. In the morning in Tattvanusandhanam I explained this. Mithya vastu can have samskara. Those samskaras can produce vyavaharik vasana. Pratibhasik vastu can produce vyavaharik vasana. So that's why this, and you see those people who end up in gun shooting and all, in particular in some Western countries, they watch lot of these movies, crime things, they play such video games, and they end up doing those things in life, in vyavahara. So those vasanas, their samskaras are vyavaharika. Similarly, kamana also. If a person watches certain such things on phone or TV or wherever, it can produce kamanas which will result in vyavaharik bandhana. That's why Bhagavan said, dhyayato vishayan. Even if you just do vishay dhyanam, pranashyati is there. Buddhi nasha will take place. So even if vishay is not in front of me, its samskara can be damaging. So here buddhi sanskara adityatra buddhi shabdena sarpa bhranti. Bhranti matra can have sanskara. Uttam adhikarinam onkara dvarena. This is going to be always the case. Whenever they discuss Shastra, always there will be Uttam adhikari, Madhyam adhikari, Adham adhikari. No student should say, what is this? You know, this is partiality between students. Or this is Bheda. Uttama is Uttama. Neither you can tell this to Anand Giriji, nor you can tell Bhagavan Bhashyakara. Uttam adhikari is Uttam adhikari. Manda madhyama will be Manda madhyama. You cannot question it. And I myself will know where I stand. And there is no jor jabardasti. There is no ghosofying. You have to just increase your adhikara. That's all. So, Uttam adhikarinam onkar dvarena parishuddha brahmatma ikya vidam. Who are the Uttam adhikari? Through onkara, they have parishuddha brahma atma ikya. Those who are purified, and then they have attained nirguna brahma atma ikya jnanam. Paritaha shuddha brahma, nirguna brahma atma ikya vidam. Brahmatma ikyam veti iti brahmavit tesham brahma vidam. पुनरावृत्ति लक्षणम अपुनरावृत्ति लक्षणम फलमुक्तम. They have apunaravritti. This result is already said. Idanim mandanam मध्यमानां च कथं ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्त्या फलप्राप्तिः इति आशंक्याः. Now, what about Manda and Madhyama people? मध्यमानां च कथं ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्त्या फलप्राप्तिः. How they will have Brahma Jnanam and how they will get the phalam through Brahma Prapti. That is said in Bhashya. Manda Madhyamadhyam tu. सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी. सजातीय भ्रमांतरस्य प्रमोत्थ संस्कारजन्यत्वं सूचयन् व्याचष्टे बुद्ध्यादि. सजातीय भ्रमांतरस्य प्रमोत्थ संस्कारजन्यत्वं. If there is a sajatiya bhrama, then that will be responsible for pramautha sanskara utpatti. Means what? Rajju and Sarpa. So in them, we know Rajju can create Sarpa Bhranti. But if Sarpa photo is there, picture is there, it is Sajatiya Brahma. They have similar jati. Why? Because there is Sarpatva in both. Actual Sarpa also will have Sarpatva. Photo will also have Sarpatva. Some movie also will have Sarpatva, etc. Storybook, if you see, there also Sarpatva will be there. Then, Pramotha Sanskara Janyatvam. From some Prama, so there it is Prama. When I see Sarpa picture, it is Prama. But from that, I will produce Samskara. That will become responsible for some other Bhranti later. थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी. मध्यमेषु तारतम्यं विवक्षितत्व आह मध्यमानाम् इति. Who are the madhyama? तथा च तत्वज्ञान समर्थानां मध्यमानां इति अविरुद्धम इति अवधेयम. It will come. There is one beautiful word given. If it is not here, it will come in the later in the Karika. No. Who are the madhyamas? Tattva-jnana samarthanam. Those who are capable of tattva-jnanam, but they are having pramada. Pramada means they are just negligent. They are wasting their time, not realizing the seriousness of situation, of their pursuit, etc. So, tattva-jnana samarthanam madhyamanam iti aviruddham. So, they are capable of this knowledge. मध्यमानां च कथं ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्त्याः. In Bhashya, Manda Madhyamadhyam to Pratipanna Sadhaka Bhavanam. They have Pratipanna Sadhaka Bhava. They have attained they are sadhakas. Pratipanna Sadhaka Bhava means they have attained sadhakatva. In other words, they have declared to themselves that I am committed to this path. But some Vishayasakti is there, Prajna Mandyam is there, other Pratibandhas are there, something is there. Sanmarga Gaminam, and they also have they are following sanmarga. Sanmarga means Vedic marga. Sannyasinam, Bhagavan Bhashyakar adds his signature. And they have also given up everything. So, this is the sign of commitment, that I am not interested in anything else in the world. Sannyasinam. Matranam padanam cha tripta samanya vidam. And those who are also the knowers of matra, pada, they are also doing this Omkara Dhyanam regularly as much as possible, etc. Tripta samanya vidam yathavad upasyamana Omkaro Brahma pratipattaye alambani bhavati. Then yathavad upasyamanaha. Yathavad means as it is prescribed, like that. When they do upasana of Omkara, that Omkara becomes alambanam for Brahma pratipatti. Brahma pratipattaye alambani bhavati. In other words, they are able to succeed gradually in their path. Tika. Teshamapi krama mukti aviruddha ityartha. See, they will get krama mukti. So you have the option whether in this life itself through krama mukti you go through, or you come back and in next life you get jivan mukti, whatever. Depending upon how much pratibandha is there. Tika. Tatraiva vakya sheshanukulyam kathayati. In that, the vakya shesha, tatraiva, Tippani says, Trividha adhikarini eva ityartha. In the three kinds of adhikari, vakya shesha anukulyam. What is the vakya shesha? This tatha cha vakshyati. This will be said, this what will be said later in Tritiya Adhyaya of this vakshyati आचार्यः गौडपादाचार्यः आश्रमाः त्रिविधा हीन मध्यम उत्कृष्ट दृष्टयः. Then what is the second line? Ashramas trividha hina madhyamotkrishta drishtayah. 16th one you see. Some anusam. 16th, right? Upasanopadishteyam tadartham anukampaya. Upasana upadesha is out of compassion for people like us who are very much extroverted, who do not have calm mind, and instead of doing anything else, it is said you do this upasana. Upasana, the good part is you don't need lot of sadhana samagri. You don't need any vigraha also. If you want to do, you can just do Om. Just only you all need is place to sit down. Even if there is no place to sit when you are lying down, you can still do this. This vichara is more important. Ityadi. In this way, Mandukya Moola Mantra Bhashyam, Tika, Tippanis are over. Now, remaining shlokas. Purvavat. Atra ete shloka bhavanti. Some shlokas are there. See. Tika. यथा पूर्वम् आचार्येण श्रुत्यर्थ प्रकाशकाः श्लोकाः प्रणीताः तथा उत्तरे अपि श्लोकाः श्रुत्युक्ते अर्थे एव संभवन्ति इत्याह. Just as earlier आचार्येण गौडपादाचार्येण श्रुत्यर्थ प्रकाशकाः श्लोकाः, those shlokas which do prakashanam of shruti artha, pranitaha, they have given, he has given. Tatha, in the same way, uttarepi, later also, means on this final mantra, shlokaha shrutyukte arthe eva sambhavanti. These shlokas are again appropriate and possible for the shruti ukta artha. That is purvavat. ओंकारं पादशो विद्यात् पादामात्रा न संशयः. ओंकार पादशो ज्ञात्वा, it should be ओंकारम. ओंकारं पादशो ज्ञात्वा न is needed, न is missing. न किंचिदपि चिंतयेत्. Now you know how important na is. If na was not there, then it would become kinchidapi chintayet. Omkaram padasho vidyat. Omkar should be known. Padashaha means if through each pada of Atma, how it is mapped, padashaha vidyat. And padaha matraha na samshaya. And there should not be any doubt. There is no doubt that padas are matras. Means Om is everything. That is Brahma. Omkaram padasho jnatva na kinchidapi chintayet. Omkara should be known through padashaha, and then you don't have to think of anything else. Means you just know what is required, Brahma, and don't need to know anything else. Don't think of anything else. Tika. Omkarasya padasho vidyat. To is missing. Kidrishi. What is this vidya? Okay, let's leave it. Vidya, I doubt though there is any vidya there. Omkarasya padasho vidya. Kidrishi iti ashankya. Let me see the original. There also it is vidya only. So Omkarasya padashah vidya kidrishi. What kind of knowledge is this? Where you have knowledge of each pada of Atma mapped to Omkara. Iti ashankyaha pada iti. Bhashya. Yathoktaihi samanyehi pada eva matraha. Matrasya pada. By this samanya means this similarity, oneness. Padas are matras, matras are padas. Tasmad Omkaram padasho vidyat ityartha. Therefore Omkara should be known through each pada. टीका पादानां मात्राणां च अन्योन्यम् एकत्वं कृत्वा तद्विभागविधुरम् ओंकारं ब्रह्मबुद्ध्या ध्यायतो भवति कृतार्थता इति दर्शयति। पादानां मात्राणां च अन्योन्यम् एकत्वं कृत्वा, mutually when their oneness is done, tad vibhaga vidhuram, onkara which is vidhura, devoid of this division, vibhaga vidhuram onkaram brahma buddhya dhyayatah, the one who meditates through brahma buddhi, brahma buddhya dhyayatah bhavati kritarthata iti darshayati, then that person becomes kritartha, he will get kritarthata. Kritartha means he'll attain moksha. कृतम अर्थो यस्य सह कृतार्थः तस्य भाव ततलौ कृतार्थता। फर्दर इन टीका तस्मात् पादानां मात्राणां च अन्योन्यम एकत्वात् इत्यर्थः। तस्मात् मीन्स because they have mutual oneness between pada and matra. तदेकत्वं पुरस्कृत्य ओंकारम उभय विभाग शून्यम ब्रह्म बुद्ध्या जानीयात। कीपिंग दिस एकत्वम इन माइंड, पुरस्कृत्य मीन्स कीपिंग इट इन फ्रंट, पुरतः कृत्य सामने रखते हुए एकत्वम, ओंकार ओंकारम उभय विभाग शून्यम, ओंकार डजंट हैव पाद विभाग और मात्र विभाग, शून्यम ब्रह्म बुद्धिया जानीयात, आई शुड नो एज ब्रह्म, निर्गुण ब्रह्म इत्याह। ओंकारम मेन भाष्य एवं ओंकारे ज्ञाते दृष्टार्थम अदृष्टार्थम वा न किंचित प्रयोजनम चिंतयेत। When ओंकार is known, दृष्टार्थम अदृष्टार्थम वा न किंचित प्रयोजनम चिंतयेत। दृष्टार्थम इज दृष्टो अर्थो यस्य, यस्य प्रयोजनस्य, that दृष्टार्थम is what for प्रयोजनम, अदृष्टार्थम is also for प्रयोजनम। So दृष्टो अर्थो यस्य प्रयोजनस्य तत्प्रयोजनम दृष्टार्थम, and अदृष्टो अर्थो यस्य प्रयोजनस्य तत्प्रयोजनम अदृष्टार्थम, न दृष्टो अर्थो यस्य तत्प्रयोजनम अदृष्टार्थम। So दृष्टार्थम means of this world, अदृष्टार्थम means some other world. When you know Brahma, then there is no such prayojanam. न किंचित प्रयोजनम चिंतयेत। Why? कृतार्थत्वात्, because he is कृतार्थ। कृतम कृत्यम प्रापणीयम प्राप्तम, so he is actually धन्यः, तृप्ति he has attained। उत्तरार्धस्य तात्पर्यमाह एवं एवं ओंकारे इत्यादि। Tippani's are all simple. You can see that ekatvam kritva means abhedam nischitya. Onkaram means onkara lakshyam pratyagatmanam. And puraskritya means dwari kritya, gateway. Further now, this tika is good, very interesting. Next one, pay more attention. प्रणव अनुसंधान कुशलस्य, प्रणव ज्ञानेनैव सर्वद्वैत अपवादकेन कृतार्थता भवति इति उक्तम्। प्रणव अनुसंधान कुशल, the one who is very good in meditating on Pranava, Om. And he has studied Mandukya and everything else. Then Pranav Jnane Naiva Kritarthata. He becomes Kritakritya only through Pranav Jnanam. And Sarva Dvaita Apavada. All Dvaita is negated. So Sarva Dvaita Apavadakena Pranav Jnanena Kritarthata Bhavati iti uktam. Now who is remaining? Idanim Tad Anabhignasya, the one who doesn't know it. Who is this fellow? Paropadesha Matra Sharanasya Dhyana Kartavyatam Kathayati. He is Paropadesha Matra. He tells everybody else, I will tell you what you should do. You should meditate. He will tell the other fellow, I have a perfect solution for you. You meditate. He himself, no. He is Paropadesha Matra Sharana. Don't take literally. Paropadesha Matra Sharana means, another meaning is, he is a teacher. He teaches. But he doesn't take time to implement this in his own life. This is called Paropadesha Matra Sharana. So I should teach and then I will have to follow first. So like when they say, you teach Bhagavad Gita, you teach Ramayana, you teach Vedanta, you teach Upanishad. Means you follow them first. Otherwise we will become Paropadesha Matra Sharanaha. So not that. Then for such person, Dhyana Kartavyatam. You also have to sit down. You have to do Dhyanam. So, I have to be more alert as a teacher or as an acharya. I have to somehow take time out. Yunjita pranave chetah pranavo brahma nirbhayam pranave nitya yuktasya na bhayam vidyate kvachit. Yunjita Pranave Chetaha Yunjita. In Pranava, put your mind. Pranavo Brahma Nirbhayam. What is Pranava? Nirbhaya Brahma. So it is Brahma, and Brahma is fearless. And that's why those who abide in that, they are fearless and nobody should fear them. Pranave nitya yuktasya na bhayam kvachit vidyate. The one who is nitya yukta in pranava, he doesn't have any bhaya. Yasman no udvijate lokaha. Lokan na udvijate chaiha. He doesn't get agitated, he doesn't agitate people. This should be our lakshana. Those who agitate, what about them? So you keep them away. If you think somebody will agitate you, you keep them away. Or they don't want to stay away, then you go away. What else can you do? You have to avoid conflict. You have to avoid agitation. टीका ननु मनः समाधानं ब्रह्मणि कर्तव्यम. मनः समाधानं should be there in Brahma. किमिति प्रणवे तत्कर्तव्यता उच्यते. Why are you saying it should be done in Pranava? तत्राह सी भाष्य युञ्जीत समादध्यात् यथा व्याख्यायते परमार्थ रूपे प्रणवे चेतो मनः. भगवान श्री कृष्ण in Bhagavad Gita in 6th chapter he begins the dhyana yoga prakaranam with yogi yunjita satatam atma rahasi sthitah. Rahasi means he should be in solitary atmosphere, ekaki, alone. Yata chittatma, the one whose sharira, indriya, mana, all of them are controlled. And what is next? Nirashihi, aparigraha. So he should be nirashi. No sankalpas, no expectations from the world. And aparigraha means not too many things also. Then pranave cheto yunjita. Yasmat pranavo brahma nirbhayam, because pranava is nirbhaya brahma. Tika Acha, Anand Giriji has first given everything on Karika itself. Now he will comment. No, still he is commenting on Karika only. Samprati pranave samahita chittasya phalam darshayati pranave nityayuktasya. This is also on Karika. Those who are samahita chitta in pranava, then the result is na bhayam vidyate kvachit. He is abhaya. Abhayam pratishtham vindate. Samadhana vishayam aha. What is the samadhana vishaya? Now he comments on bhashya. Yatha vyakhyate paramartha rupe pranave. Yatha vyakhyate, as it is explained, paramartha rupa pranava means turiya is om in that. Turiya rupam yatha uchyate yathochyate तत्र हेतुमाह और यथा इति उच्यते तत्र हेतुमाह यस्मात् यस्मात् प्रणवो ब्रह्म तदेव साधयति नहि तत्र सदा युक्तस्य भयं विद्यते क्वचित्. Those who are abiding in Brahma, they know I am Brahma, other than Brahma there is nothing. What bhaya? Maximum bhaya is sharirapata, body will drop. I am not worried. तत्र तैत्तिरीयक श्रुत्यानुकूल्यम आह. तैत्तिरीय श्रुति is given. विद्वान् न बिभेति कुतश्चन इति श्रुतेः. न बिभेति कुतश्चन इति. आनंदम ब्रह्मणो विद्वान् न विभेति कुतश्चनेति. That one. इति श्रुतेः. Further, कीदृशस्तर्हि प्रणवो मंदानां मध्यमानां च अधिकारिणां ध्येयो भवति इति आशंक्यः. For मंद and मध्यम अधिकारी, कीदृशः प्रणवः ध्येयः. What kind of pranava they have to meditate on. means give some nature of that pranava, some characteristics which can be thought of, which can be meditated upon, whose chintanam can be done. We have to think this way. What is the problem of Manda Madhyama Adhikari? First is they will try to avoid sitting for this meditation. They will find 200 other things to do at that time. When they say, this is my time to meditate, no, I have to study something. What they never study, they'll say, right now I have to do that study. One. Second is, even if they have allotted 30 minutes, they will try to do it only for 15, 20 minutes. They'll say, oh, enough. So you have to give full time for that. Phone distraction, you have to turn it off. And then mind distraction. Mind wants to go here, there. You have to just keep on doing. And mind will question, what is the use of this? Instead, if I study something, at least I'll be able to answer some questions in class. That's where I will feel good, important. I say, all that is good, but you have to also do this. Cut down on other chit-chat. That's all. So, this is what distinguishes Uttam Adhikari from Manda Madhya. And of course, they don't have a good package to come with. Those who have come with good package, they will excel. Pranavo hya param brahma. Pranavascha parasmritaha. Apurvo nantaro bahyo. Naparaha pranavo vyayaha. Pranavo hya param. Pranavo hi aparam brahma. Pranavascha parasmritaha. Pranav is apara brahma, pranava is para brahma also. Both. Like how it is given in Kathopanishad. Akshara, right? Akshara is para and apara. Both. And then second line is Brahadaranyaka quotation. Apurvo anantaro abahyo anaparaha. Pranavo avyayaha. Up to the first part is Brahadaranyaka quotation. Brahma is or Pranava is apurvaha, that he will explain. Karana rahita na purvam vidyate iti apurvaha. Na anantaram vidyate iti na antaram is other, is anantaraha. Abahyaha yasya bahyam nasti kinchit saha abahyaha. And anaparaha means yasya karyam na vidyate tad anaparaha. Yasya aparo na vidyate, lower, there is nothing, means karyam. So he doesn't have karana, he doesn't have karyam, there is nothing outside and there is nothing other than it. That avyaya, imperishable pranava, I am. Actually, these few things also, if we just remember and go on dwelling, that is enough. Tika. उत्तम अधिकारिणां कीदृशस्तर्हि प्रणवः सम्यक् ज्ञानगोचरो भवति तत्राह अपूर्वम्. So the first line of 26 is for Manda Madhyama Adhikari. That is Apara as well as Para. And for Uttam Adhikari it is Anaparaha, Apurvaha. Anantara, Bahya, Avyaya, इत्यादि. टीका. परापर ब्रह्मात्मना प्रणवो मंद मध्यम अधिकारिणो ध्येयताम उपगच्छति इति पूर्वार्धम व्याचष्टे. पर ब्रह्म एंड अपर ब्रह्म. परापर ब्रह्मात्मना प्रणवः मंद मध्यम अधिकारिणो हो. दोज हु आर मंद अधिकारी मध्यम अधिकारी ध्येयताम उपगच्छति. दे सो प्रणवः ध्येयताम उपगच्छति. फॉर मंद मध्यम अधिकारी प्रणव अटेन्स दी ध्येयत्व एज परब्रह्म और अपर ब्रह्म. मीन्स इन बोथ वेज दे विल सी ब्रह्म एज कार्य रूप कारण रूप, कार्य रूप कारण रूप इन दिस वे. इति पूर्वार्धम व्याचष्टे. भाष्य. परापरे ब्रह्मणि प्रणवः परमार्थतः क्षीणेषु मात्रापादेषु पर एव आत्मा ब्रह्म इति. परापरे ब्रह्मणि इन पर ब्रह्म एंड अपर ब्रह्म प्रणवः परमार्थतः क्षीणेषु मात्रापादेषु is parama pranava which is paramarthatah kshineshu matra padeshu para eva atma. When matra and pada kshaya takes place in amatra turiya, that itself is parabrahma, paramatma brahma, para eva atma brahma iti. And what is that? न पूर्वम कारणम अस्य विद्यते इति अपूर्वः. ही इज अपूर्वः. पूर्वम मीन्स कारणम. व्हाट कम्स बिफोर इज कारणम. न विद्यते इति अपूर्वः. न अस्य अंतरम भिन्नम भिन्न जातीयम. देयर इज नो अदर जातीय वस्तु. देयर इज नो सजातीय, देयर इज नो विजातीय. किंचित विद्यते इति अनंतरः. It is anantara. तथा बाह्यम अन्यत न विद्यते इति अबाह्य. There is nothing outside it. Therefore it is अबाह्यः. टीका. This one is अच्छा टीका that already we saw. भाष्य. उत्तम अधिकारिणस्तु सर्व विशेष शून्यम एक रसम प्रत्यक भूतम यद ब्रह्म. फॉर उत्तम अधिकारी ब्रह्म विच इज प्रत्यगात्मा माई सेल्फ. सर्व विशेष शून्यम एक रसम होमोजीनियस एक रसम यद ब्रह्म तद्रूपेण प्रणवः सम्यक ज्ञानाधिगम्यो भवति. इन दैट रूप Pranava is samyak jnana adhigamya. It becomes known through clear knowledge. Samyak jnanam adhigamyo bhavati iti uttarardham vibhajate paramarthatah. So we already saw that. परमार्थतः क्षीणेषु इन दैट वन. उक्ते अर्थे प्रमाणम सूचयति. इन भाष्ये यू सी अपरम मीन्स कार्यम अस्य न विद्यते इति अनपरः. अपरम कार्यम अस्य न विद्यते इज अनपरः. स बाह्याभ्यंतरो हि अजः. दिस इज मुंडक श्रुति. उक्ते अर्थे प्रमाणम सूचयति. एंड सैंधव घन वत. This drashtanta is also from Brahadaranyaka. Saindhavagana means like mass of salt. There is nothing outside it. Only that. Like that, Paramatma alone is. Thas, thasa, thas. Okay. Now 3 more karikas are there. And tomorrow we still have anadhyaya. So let us see what we can accomplish tomorrow. A lot of tika is there, but Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.